Of Kyrgyzstan in the red. National colours represented by both. Forreст has pulled out a score. Асан come to theirs under David Taylor. Асан needing to reply quickly. He's going to get points here. Parterre, Jackson Forreст. And he's so good at finding ways to get down there too. Excellent rebuttal though from. He's the U-17 world champion from last year. It's a high quality gold medal contest in Novi Sad, and we're seeing that played out. Another 2-point advantage. He knows how to use it. Асан hopeful. Now getting that left leg sewn up, and he's going to work himself round here for the might. Now we get it. Looks to drive it up. Right on his thigh. Then readjusts and gets himself round the back here. And if he can take this to the floor, points will come. Instead he might reverse it. So many options for Forreст. This is how difficult he is to fight again. Really reaffirms Forreст in the lead. Асан replies. This is a terrific gold medal contest. 11-8 now. Forreст maybe conceding more points here. Almost has that scoring techniques, but he's only a point adrift. Driving hard for a step-out point here. Now looking to change tack and switch round, but then Forreст is making this all. He's so precise in his wrestling. When the heat is on. And 5 points. Асан needing to really go now and dredge up his energy reserves. He's around the gut with one arm, locks it in now with the gable grip, sliding up high. Low again. That's well read. Back onto Асан, and he goes round the head, then looking to slip round the back. Down onto the mat. Forreст is in a safe position. Last 6 seconds, he's going to be turned here. Асан acquiring 2 points. He needs something else big, and the time will run out on the man from Kyrgyzstan. It's Jackson Forrest's night in Serbia.